ITR loading ramps are manufactured entirely inside ITR Meccanica. The ITR Group production center is based in Modena, Italy. The initial design of the ramps focuses on optimizing their size-weight ratio while ensuring compliance with the relevant safety standards. First, all the component parts are cut, including uprights, steps, head and tail. The components are assembled by the operator with the help of a template. Next, the assembled parts are spot welded at points along the abutting edges. Now comes the most important stage in the entire process: welding. Our highly qualified personnel weld the parts together with extreme care. Special brushes eliminate any metal burring or welding residues. The product is now ready for labeling before checking by the quality control section. ITR loading ramps are fully compliant with the high quality requirements of the ISO 9001 standard.